Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to show you a tool with the help of you can make your Google Sheets or the Excel AI powered. So first of all, this platform is available for both of Google Sheets and the Microsoft Excel. All you need to just install the extension that you can easily install here, and after that you have to just connect with your AI. For example, you can connect with the OpenAI, you can connect with the Anthropic, you can connect with the Stalico. So once you have connected, for example, you have to just open any Google Sheet or the Excel file, and after that, right now what you can do, you can just improve the format, you can update the any cell, any row, any column instantly. All you have to just give the command here and it will do the thing that you can just command it in the same plain English. For example, this is my trading journal and I want something like a graphical chart, easily understand what's going on with my investments here. So I just asked this AI here and look at thing it has generated. It has just generated this chart here. You can see this chart is everything. It has the amount, it has the my PNL, it has the weekly basis of the increment. So right now it's need a advanced skill in the Google Sheets or the Excel to generate this kind of the chart with the dynamic data. So every time I am going to change the data here, it is going to also change in this chart here. So not only that I have done this, I can also calculate these things instantly. I can also make the changes in this sheet just giving the command here. And you know, if you don't have any ideas around the formulas, how these work out, you cannot even do the subtraction or the addition in the Google Sheets or the Excel. But with this AI, you can do that. So this is the SheetxAI. With this tool, you can do a lot of the things. You can improve your workflow automation. You can make the Google Sheet with the automation. You can generate the content using the AI in the Google Sheet. Okay, and so many great things you can do it here. Or not only that, it is also integrates with the so many other platforms. Whether you want to generate the images, you want to generate the SEO articles, title, description, tags, you have to just connect with the different AI platforms. For example, right now for me as a blogger, I want to generate the tags, titles or headlines or the description. So what I can do, I can just integrate here on with the Neuron Writer API with the SheetxAI, and now I can just give it command and it can just with the help of a API generate me the titles, keywords, all those stuff. Same I can do it with the images, the video generation. I have the jog.ai platform, so I can get the API from there and I can connect here on the Google Sheets, and after that it will do the stuff for me here. So let me open up any Google Sheet and show you how SheetxAI is so much amazing. You are going to literally love it. Okay, so for example, I'm going to open the any of the tools sheet here. Let me open any one. For example, let me open any of the Google Sheet here. So I am opening this one because this is something like for me a personal money auditing thing here. Okay, and I want to calculate this stuff. I want to improve the data structure here for the dates. Okay, so let me do it here because if I am going to do it manually, it can take me some time, and if I am not correct, I need to do some subtraction or the addition here, and I don't have any knowledge about the Google Sheets formulas here. So what I will do, I will simply go to the extension, and here I have already installed the SheetxAI. So I will simply open up the chat. Okay, and now it is going to open up here on the right side of the section. Okay, you can see this is in the working here, and it can take few seconds to working or loading up here. Okay, yeah, it's loaded. Okay, so now let me show you how this tool makes the thing so much easy. So right now, first what I have to do, okay, let me close this one. First I have to select this sheet here. So I will click here on the plus icon, and after that you can see add sheet, and here is the sheet one. You can see this is the sheet one here. Okay, now I will going to ask, like in the column B, this is the column B, I want to improve the date format. Okay, so improve date format for me in column B. Okay, so I have given the command, simply enter it, and now it will start analyzing your sheet. It will go to the column B, and soon it is will going to be the improve the data structure here for my dates. Okay, so it can take few seconds, and now it's worked out. You can see the date structure is now good enough, but previously it was not able to that much of the understanding. I had just entered as soon as I got the information here. Okay, and now I want to total the this calculation here. So now I will let its AI to calculate this one as well. So some calculate the amount for total in column A. Okay, so I have given, I know there are some spelling mistakes, please forgive me. Column A. So I have given the prompt here. Okay, and I can also give the voice commands as well. There's the option available. You can also give the this kind of the information if you have this some image or the PDF available and you want to extract the data. You can also do that. There's the thinking possible available. So right now it has done the calculation, and let me show you out. You can see this is the total amount. Okay, so this is the thing you can do that. It has also the so many crazy features that I cannot able to describe in this single video. If you have the some knowledge in the Google Sheet and don't have the experience or the advanced skill, you can just use this tool to make the things happen in just few minutes. Okay, so this is the quick tutorial, or you can say a demo. I have showed you the SheetxAi, but still there are the so many things. So first of all, let me tell you how you can connect the OpenAI key or the any others API here. So you have to go to this setting option. Okay, in the settings, this is going to open up a pop-up on the screen, and you can see this is the pop-up I have talked about, and here we are going to connect with a different APIs, so it can use to generate the images, used to generate the content, used to give you the so many things. For example, for the chatbot, I have showed you that I have just chat here and it has done the things in my sheet here. So for that, we can just connect with the so many providers. We have the OpenAI, we have the Cloud, we have the Open Router, we have the Styrico. So I have already account in the Styrico, so I have just got its API and connected here. Okay, suppose you want to just get the image generation, so you can just integrate with so many other AI models available. Again, I have just connected with the Styrico. It will also work in the Styrico for the image generation. Okay, you can also do it for the URL model if you want to get the information from any link. Okay, so that thing you can connect here. We have the Perplexity and the Open Router and the Styrico again as well. And there's also the email verification. If you have a list of the emails and you want to verify which one is the correct and which have the incorrect information, you can also connect here. I have the Rion email verifier, so I have connected that one here. Okay, so let me show you how you can connect. If you have just selected, you have to select this provider here, and after that it will ask you the API key. Simply give it, and after that simply save. Okay, so it will show you which API platform you have connected here for the different thing, like for the content, for the images, for the email verification, for the e-commerce, for the WordPress, upscaling, all this stuff. So confirm it, and you have just connected the SheetxAi. So basically what this platform do, it is going to connect your sheet with the AI. That's why its name is the SheetxAI. It is integrating both of them. I hope you got it. So right now this platform is amazing, available on the app store with the lifetime deal, and pricing is so much affordable, just $39, and this is the lifetime deal. You don't have to pay the any monthly or the yearly charges. Okay, so we have the so many plans available, but before the plans I want to tell you that you can do so much stuff. Okay, like you can automate spreadsheets with the AI, you can just generate the content, you can generate the images, videos, you can just make your sheets structural data well structured and well easy to understand here. Okay, you can just make your data more understanding. Okay, you can generate the charts, so many things like I have showed you in the starting of this video. So we have the 4-tier plans here available, and every tier plan can give you the extra credits here. For example, in the tier 1 you will get the 1 license, means the 1 account for the 1 Google Sheet or the Excel. You need the email, you can just use that 1 email in the 1 license. If you have the 3 licenses, you can use up to 3 different Google Sheets emails or the Excel emails. Okay, same thing goes on here. So we have these so many things access available. So what I suggest, go to its lifetime deal page, understand what is offering you, and based on that get its lifetime deal. I have just given the link in the description to get this lifetime deal, and just get it here and get the deal as soon as possible, because this deal is not going to be the forever. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel and stay updated.